Please be seated. Back on the record. Okay, counsel for the state and counsel for the defense are being handed copies of the juror questionnaires at this time. I'm going to be going through them at the same time that counsel is. If you'll please put them into different categories so we can work from there. You have 3 copies that are not separated into 3 copies, so the first one will have 3 per each name. Yours is 2.
It would be my request that we have an opportunity to review them.
We're going to go.
Fully,
you could sit there and review them now.
In caucus, that I'm not certain we can do right here. That we can actually. Part of the problem is trying to categorize them compared to the other ones in the same group. So we'll follow your procedure. My concern is.
Well, we're all going to try to do it the best that we can. If there's an issue come up, you'll let me know.
In any order particular? I mean, okay, they're random, but we should keep.
I've been sitting back there waiting for the clerk to have them copied,
Right.
And they were brought up copies for the state, copies for the defense, and I have the original.
Okay, so they are in a random order, but we might want to maintain that random order because at least we'll all have the same order.
Well, I could tell you the piles that I am making. I'm concentrating on question number 4. And question number 4, those who say yes, I'm putting in one pile. Those who say no, I'm putting in another pile. Some have not answered, so they're in a 3rd pile, and some have put NA, and they're in a 4th pile. So then we'll go to the ones who've answered yes and make a determination as to who will be brought up. Does that make it a little easier for you? We're all operating under the same page, so.
Yeah, we might just suggest that if we're going to do that, then we just make sure that the global list gets moved into the panel. So, for example, this one is number 1.
We'll have a chance to compare.
Okay.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go ahead and recess for lunch. We will be back in court at 2. The attorneys will be back at 1:30. Okay. We're in recess to the courtroom until 1:30. The jury needs to be back at 2. Bobby, can you make sure that there's a deputy down there?